Nissan Kicks is a Terrible Juke replacement. Let us start with the powertrain. The outgoing Juke has a spunky turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine making 188 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. It might not have been the most efficient, with a combined fuel economy of 29 miles per gallon for the base model with a CVT. But having that power made the Juke more interesting and exciting in a class of vehicles that is frequently underpowered. And the availability of a manual transmission, all-wheel drive, or high-performance Nismo models meant there were versions of the Juke for enthusiasts and those in cold climates. As for the Kicks, it shelves the turbo engine for a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter that makes a paltry 125 horsepower and 115 pound-feet of torque. Not only is that significantly less than the Juke, it's nearly the lowest powered vehicle in the segment. Only the base, turbocharged 3-cylinder Ford EcoSport has less power at 123 horsepower. But it exceeds the Kicks torque figure with a total of 125 pound-feet. Plus the EcoSport has a more powerful optional engine.